How on the children to do? This year the Queen Quet, head upon the body of this year Gullah Geechee Nation. Look your children, every Memorial Day weekend, down in Beaufort, South Kakalaki, at the Henry C. Chambers Waterfront Park. We do this year thing we've been doing for years and years and years. People are coming all from around the world, but celebrate with we, who we do, as the Gullah people, the Geechee people, all these your children from the Gullah Geechee Nation. Yes, come to the Gullah Festival. Yes, y'all can meet me down at the Henry C. Chambers Waterfront Park, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Find the Gullah Geechee Nation flag here and brings a shiny thing. We got plenty of product and things like that, book, CD, oil and things like that. But rather was, we got one open spirit, plenty of fun, lots of sunshine, and a breeze right off that, the creek there by Beaufort, yeah? So come to Beaufort, South Kakalaki here in the Gullah Geechee Nation for the Gullah Festival. I go and see 100 children down there. Peace.